Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pineapple Vegan, and today we are going to be making vegan ranch. You're gonna like it, and it's so quick and easy and simple. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna use some vegan mayo. I chose the Follow Your Heart brand because it doesn't really have a strong taste, and I don't want it to taste like mayo. I mean, just mayo. I love just mayo. It is bomb. It has more of a Miracle Whip taste, which I love when I want that sandwich, you know, like a Miracle Whip sandwich, but this is just a good base. So let's do that. Never spill stuff.
So you wanna get on camera and show out for all these people.
Okay, a little more. And honestly, y'all know how I do. I did it again. Now let's just get this off of here. And now what I'm gonna do is I have some non-dairy milk, original flavor, unsweetened. It doesn't matter which non-dairy milk you use. I just use the almond milk, it doesn't matter. And I'm just gonna add some apple cider vinegar with the mother to that and mix it up a little bit. I don't necessarily want it to curdle. It doesn't really matter if it does or not. I'm just gonna add the other ingredients. So first I'm gonna add dried parsley, see? And then I'm gonna add some dried dill. And then I really don't know exactly how much garlic this is. I'm assuming it is 3 cloves though. And then I have smoked paprika, pink Himalayan sea salt, and onion powder. And then black pepper. I like to use the cracked black pepper to taste. So you just season that to taste. I'm gonna mix that up. And then I'm gonna add my milk and apple cider vinegar mixture. I ain't gonna lie, I want it to be cute. I thought it was gonna be sexy with this cute little silver bowl. I'm about to use a fork. Get in where I fit in. Okay. Ooh, y'all, it's smelling super ranchy. Oh my God, it smells so good. I've ate it before, but y'all, this is dope. And the cool part about this is that you can actually make different types of ranch. Like, this is more of like a buttermilk, but you could add spices and make like a spicy ranch. You can like add sriracha to it and make like sriracha ranch, chipotle ranch, ranch gumbo, ranch soup, ranch cake.
Shrimp burger, shrimp sandwich. That's about it.
So many possibilities with ranch. And you know what? I'm about to use this in a recipe in another video, so don't even try to stunt when you see me with this same outfit on. I just didn't want to make all of it through one video, because then y'all gonna get bored. Y'all not gonna want to watch it, you know? I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in here so I can save it. And this is good for about, I would say about 7 to 10 days. Ranch don't really last that long in my house, so it won't be around that long. Watch me spill this. Okay, and there might be goodies in the bottom of this bowl. Just scrape it out, because all we're gonna do is shake it up before we use it. What do you do with ranch when you take it out of the fridge? You shake it like you ain't got no sense, right? And here's my ranch. Take a gander at this ranch. Look at that. Yes. What y'all doing? Wait, is you naked? You naked? I'm just joking. I can't see you. Or can I? Okay, you guys, so that was my vegan ranch recipe. But yeah, you guys, please try it out and let me know how you like it. Go ahead and leave it in the comment section below, like always. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because we're friends. And you want to know when I make videos and upload them, so go ahead and click the notification button as well, right? But until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.